Glenville Holmes, coach Eltham High School.
A good win here for you, although you was 10 man down basically during all of the game. Tell me about this game.
Yes, basically we had a game plan. We scored, and then we got a red card that threw us totally off. So we had to regroup, replan, and kudos to the boys. They stuck to the new plan, and victory for us.
Failure to win goals because your team got several chances. The game could have more goal for you. What do you think went wrong in front of the goal?
Well, I think we are working on finishing some more. It's still early season. As we progress, we'll work on that area again.
Coach, what does that say about the resilience of the team? One going at 10 to 10 man down from early in the first half.
Well, Eltham traditionally is a fighting school. We play their heart, we like adversities, and again, kudos to the boys. They dug deep, and then they got the result that we crave.
But I know that this will not be an optimal or the ideal position to be in or a game to play in. But how important is a game like this, experiencing a moment like this early out in the season, so that in the latter stage of the season, if something like this happens again, you know how to maneuver through the game?
Yes, this is like a learning curve for the boys, So this game, I see that they have character, and going forward, this will truly help them, in tougher situations.
Yeah, and also, as a coach, is the tactical decision that you guys had to make throughout the game. How does a game like this teach you going forward?
Well, you see, as a coach, you have to have your plan A, your plan B, And today, we had to draw for our plan C, yeah. And again, thanks to the boys, they did what they had to do.
All right, coach. Thank you.